Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to turn a logo white. So first of all, I'm going to select the logo that I want to turn white. Click Edit Photo in the top left corner. Then I'm going to click Adjust. And what I want to do is increase the brightness all the way to 100. Increase the whites all the way to 100. Reduce the blacks to -100. Scroll down a little, you'll see Color Edit. So what you want to do is you want to go into these individual colors. Put the brightness at 100. The saturation at -100, and then do exactly the same for the other color in the image as well. So, so I'm going to increase the brightness to 100, the saturation to -100, and now your image or your logo is white.